Hello, hi, sixth grading. I hope you guys doing good so far. And in this video, I'm going to explain what you need to do for this week as a homework, okay? And we're going to start talking about the past simple and past progressive. And the first thing you need to know about what is it? When do we use the past simple? And then what is it? The past progressive tense, okay? And we're going to start with past simple right now. Okay, so we use the past simple to talk about actions in the past, which is done, already finished. Okay, and we can put the difference in between tomorrow, today, and yesterday. So yesterday it is the past. We use this expression with simple past. For example, yesterday, last night, last week, last weekend, last year, 2 hours ago, yesterday morning. And then we have two types of verbs, which is regular and irregular verbs. I'm going to give you some examples so you can have an idea, which is the regular verbs we use the ed or d, answer, work, ask, decided, study. And irregular verbs is change, okay? Eat, ate, come, came, see, saw, take, took. Subject plus the simple verb plus complex. The last weekend. What is it? What happened last weekend? Take a look at the picture. I did the laundry last week. I did the laundry last Sunday, for example. I washed the car. You wash the car when? You finish it. I washed the car yesterday. I washed the car 2 hours ago, for example. I saw a good movie. Okay. I went dancing with my girlfriend or with my friend, for example. What did you do last week? Okay, guys, so right now we're going to go over with the progressive tense in past tense, okay? So we use the past progressive tense to describe an action that was in progress to a specific time in the past, okay? So let's watch more examples about this. So remember, guys, we use the past progressive to describe an action that was in progress at a specific time in the past, like I said. And then let's watch some more examples about this one. For example, I was walking in the park at 4 o'clock. And another example can be, and then remember, we also use the past progressive with the past simple to describe an action that was interrupted by another action. For example, Sarah was talking on the phone when her father came home. So came home is past simple. And remember also, we use the past progressive to describe two actions in progress at the same time in the past. Adam was running while his sister was sleeping. Was, verb plus ing. He was, for example, you were, they were, we were. Good luck. Okay, guys, so remember, this is on page 255 in your English book. So we're going to read this together, and please read it and you need to read it too. So if you see right here, we have past simple and past progressive tenses or sentences, and then that we need to practice it. We need to read it, okay? Let's read it together. It says, it was a very sunny day in school. All of my classmates and I were paying attention in class. My teacher was talking about famous explorers and their discoveries. It was very interesting to hear about. While my teacher was talking, a car passed by making a lot of noise. The noise started one of my classmates. Mason was making fun of my classmate for being startled by the noise. When my teacher got angry, she said, "It's not polite to make fun of people." If you see right here, we have a past progressive, and we have and past simple past. Okay, so what you need to do on this page, it says write about the activities these people were doing, what these people were doing, what they were doing. Okay, so if you see right here, you have the names, so we need to use all of them, and we need to write sentences about what are they doing, what were they doing. Okay, so I'm gonna give you two examples. I'm gonna give you the example with about Emily and Noah. Okay, so take a look. What is Emily? What is she was doing? Okay, let's use the past simple with this one. Okay, so take a look, please. Emily. So I'm gonna give you the number one. Emily. What Emily doing? Emily talked on the phone. Talked on the phone in the park, for example. Okay, so I'm gonna give you another example with Noah. What is he doing right there? What he was doing. So what do you think Noah was? I'm gonna give you another example with past progressive. Okay, so let's see. Noah was painting. So let's see. Noah was painting a picture in the park. Okay, so you have one example with past simple, and you have one with past progressive. Okay, he was painting. Okay, so you have two examples, and you need to do the rest of this, and then what she was doing. This girl right here and the boy, these two, Etha and Emma, what were they doing at the park? Okay, so take a look. Mr. Phillips, what he was doing at the park. So you need to write it down, okay? And also we need to go on page 273. 273. So let's take a look. It is about past simple and past progressive also. It says past simple and past progressive tenses. And let's see what we need to do on here. It says read the text, circle the verbs in past simple tense, and underline the verbs in past progressive tense. So you need to underline, okay? For example, Simon went. So this one, it is the past simple. So you need to circle the past simple, and you need to underline the past progressive. For example, woke up means past simple, and was racing, it is past progressive, okay? Were breaking, past progressive, okay? So that's all you need to do. Remember, you need to circle the past simple and underline the past progressive tense. And these paragraphs, okay, these two paragraphs. And also you need to complete the sentences. This is on page 273. So you need to complete the sentences with the correct form of the verb in parentheses. You need to use the past simple tense and past progressive tense. So we have two examples right here, and I'm gonna give you a couple more, okay? I see and saw, so the past tense, past simple. Okay, I saw Helen yesterday. The girls were playing. So you see the verb play, and so the past progressive were playing. The girls were playing basketball at 3 p.m. So I'm gonna give you this one right here. So you need to find out which is the past tense of this word. Leave, left. So let's see. We left the party at midnight. So I'm going to give you this one, the number 1 and 2. So please pay attention, please. And it says, how it says, we left the party at midnight. So let's see. We left the party at midnight. At midnight. So this one, past. What is it? Past simple. Okay, so I'm gonna give you one with past progressive. So which one could be? The number 2. So you see, we need to use the verb go. So what do you think? I remember, was going to school when the bus got a flat tire. Okay, I was going to school when the bus got a flat tire. So I'm gonna give you another one. So I was going to school when the bus got a flat tire. So you see right here. So was going. So this one, it is the past progressive. Okay. So don't forget about that one. Okay. So that's all you need to do on these 2 pages about past simple and past progressive, guys. So you need to do the rest of them. Okay. And that's all you need to do. And also we need to go on synonymous and antonyms. So this is in your English book on page 259. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to learn a little bit about what is it, the synonym. Synonym is a word that means almost the same as another word. For example, as almost the same or similar. Okay, remember glad, for example, I'm glad, I'm happy, I'm excited. So that one, it is similar words. Okay, amazing, also, you're amazing, you're also, you're a good person, you're good. So that one, synonym, it is the almost the same. Okay, right? Correct. So we have these examples right here. So let's see, the antonym is a word that means the opposite of another word, the opposite. Remember one. If I give you an example about this one, what is the opposite of happy? Can be mad. Happy, sad. Okay, so it is the opposite. Okay, okay, so we have example right here. Open, close. Okay, it is an antonym. Okay, it is the opposite. Buy, sell. I buy, I pay, I get. Okay, go, go, stop. So we have the beautiful examples right here on these pages. So let's read this one examples together. So you need to repeat them. Okay, remember, I'm glad that we finally decided where to go on our Gili trip. So I'm glad. And then it is similar, synonym, happy. Okay. And also we have the example. We have example right here, antonym. And what we need to do on this page, guys, it says write a synonym for each word. So yes, what is it? The synonym. Remember, synonym is a word means almost the same. Okay. So you need to write down. And small. What is it? And on this part, guys, you need to do match the word to their antonyms. Okay, easy. Remember antonym. What is an antonyms? That means the opposite. Okay, so the other word, it is very different. Okay, and the opposite of another word. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to give you some example right here. It says match the word to their antonyms. So for example, if it's easy, what is it? The example. What is it? The opposite of this word. Easy. Difficult. Yes, something when it's easy. Oh my god, my homework is easy. Easy. So what is the opposite? What is the antonyms of that one? Difficult. Oh my, I don't know how to do it. It is difficult. Okay, and then the opposite, easy. Oh my god, it's easy. Yeah, it's easy. I know how to do it. Okay, so I'm gonna give you another example with D. The friend. What is the opposite of friend? Enemy. Okay, the enemy right here. So you need to match with the line, doing a line. Okay, so thank you very much, guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you a little bit, and you can watch more videos on YouTube side. Thank you very much, guys, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.